The 2026 Caterpillar D1 Monster Dozer is here, redefining what it means to dominate the earth-moving industry. This isn't just a dozer, it's an engineering marvel built for maximum power, efficiency, and durability, combining brute force with cutting-edge technology to tackle the toughest terrains and the most challenging jobs. From construction sites to mining operations and large-scale land clearing, this beast of a machine delivers performance that's nothing short of legendary. At first glance, the D1's imposing stance commands respect. Its massive frame is forged from high-strength steel, designed to withstand extreme conditions while keeping the operator safe inside a state-of-the-art cab. The front blade spans wider than most vehicles on the road, capable of moving colossal amounts of earth in a single pass. Every inch of its design has been optimized for efficiency, from the reinforced track system that grips any terrain to the advanced hydraulic controls that allow for precision even in heavy-duty operations. Under the hood, the Caterpillar D1 Monster Dozer 2026 houses a powerhouse engine that pushes out mind-bending torque, delivering the raw strength needed to move mountains, literally. The advanced turbocharged diesel engine meets the latest emission standards while ensuring minimal fuel consumption, striking the perfect balance between environmental responsibility and industrial performance. This is the kind of machine that can work for hours without breaking a sweat, providing consistent results regardless of the terrain or weather conditions. Inside the cab, the operator is treated to a next-generation workspace designed for comfort and control. Noise insulation technology keeps the roar of the engine to a minimum, while climate control ensures optimal working conditions in extreme heat or freezing cold. The ergonomic seat is fully adjustable, and the intuitive control layout means operators can work for longer periods without fatigue. A fully digital display provides real-time data on performance metrics, fuel efficiency, blade position, and maintenance alerts, ensuring that operators have full control over every aspect of the machine's operation. Technology plays a huge role in the D1's superiority. Caterpillar has integrated advanced GPS and automation features, allowing for semi-autonomous operation and pinpoint grading accuracy. The machine can follow pre-set plans with millimeter precision, reducing the need for manual corrections and dramatically increasing productivity. This also enhances safety by minimizing operator exposure in hazardous areas and ensuring consistent quality of work. The tracks on the D1 Monster Dozer are nothing short of a masterpiece of engineering. Built with reinforced steel plates and advanced traction systems, they can handle mud, gravel, snow, or rock without losing grip. The suspension system absorbs shocks and vibrations, ensuring stability even when tackling steep inclines or uneven ground. Maintenance has been made easier than ever. The D1 features accessible service points, smart diagnostic systems, and a modular design that allows for quick part replacements. Caterpillar's predictive maintenance software uses onboard sensors to monitor wear and tear in real time, notifying operators and service teams before issues become costly problems. This means less downtime and more work done, which is exactly what heavy-duty industries demand. When it comes to power, the D1 doesn't just move dirt, it transforms landscapes. The advanced hydraulic system delivers massive pushing force while offering precise blade control. Whether you're spreading gravel for a new road, leveling ground for construction, or clearing an area for mining, the D1 delivers flawless results with unmatched efficiency. The blade itself is designed for multiple configurations, allowing it to adapt to different tasks with ease. Safety is a top priority in the D1's design. From rollover protection structures to advanced camera systems that provide 360-degree visibility, Caterpillar ensures that operators are fully aware of their surroundings at all times. Proximity sensors and automatic braking systems add another layer of protection, preventing accidents in crowded or hazardous worksites. This is especially important for a machine of this size and power, where even small mistakes can have serious consequences. The 2026 Caterpillar D1 Monster Dozer also reflects the growing demand for sustainability in heavy machinery. Its fuel-efficient engine and reduced emissions make it compliant with the latest environmental regulations, while Caterpillar's recycling programs ensure that components can be reused or repurposed at the end of their life cycle. For industries looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing productivity, the D1 is an ideal choice. This machine is not just about power, it's about precision, safety, and intelligence. It's about taking on the biggest challenges and doing so with confidence. It's a dozer that can clear forests, cut through mountains, or shape massive construction projects, all while providing an operator experience that feels more like piloting a high-tech vehicle than operating a piece of heavy equipment. Caterpillar has a long history of producing some of the most reliable and capable machines in the world, and the D1 Monster Dozer is a shining example of that legacy taken to the next level. The build quality, attention to detail, and integration of advanced technology make this a game changer for industries that demand nothing but the best. Imagine standing at the edge of a massive construction site, watching as the D1 effortlessly pushes tons of earth aside, reshaping the land with each pass. Its deep, powerful rumble echoes across the site as it moves forward with unstoppable force, the blade slicing through the soil with surgical precision. Every motion is smooth, controlled, and purposeful, a testament to the engineering excellence that went into its creation. For operators, working with the D1 means having a tool that responds instantly to commands, feels stable under any condition, and delivers results that exceed